Today I will discuss 10 reasons why a child may become aggressive and how to manage them. Number 1, exposure to violence. Children generally learn by copying and observing others. If a child is exposed to violence, be at home or at school, the child may also resort to aggressive and violent behavior. Find out if there is some exposure to violence at school. Talk with the teachers. Ensure that your child is not bullied at school. Also at home, if parents argue, do not do that in front of the child. If there are other siblings at home, ensure that the siblings are not bullying the child. No matter how bad the situation becomes, do not hit the child. Spanking a child will teach the child that violent and aggressive behavior are acceptable ways to resolve a problem. Number 2, attention seeking. Many times children may act up if they want to seek attention. Children are always not mature enough to express their exact needs and desires. Many times when a life-changing event happens at home, like change in job, birth of a new sibling, divorce, move to a different city, all these major changes puts pressure on the parents and caregivers' time, and many times they are not able to give the time and attention that the child needs. If that is your situation, try to make sure that one of the caregiver spends some quality time with the child. I also hear the term manipulation in child mental health. I do not believe that children are manipulating. They may be acting up, they may be showing problematic behavior because they want the parents' time, love and attention. Number 3, communication. Make sure that the child can communicate well their needs and want. Many times there are physical needs like hunger, pain, thirst. Make sure your child is well fed. Make sure he is not thirsty. Make sure he does not have any physical pain. Also, teach your child how to express their emotional needs. Ask them how they are feeling. Teach them the names of emotions like sadness, fear, frustration, anger. When a child is upset, when the child is about to act, ask them how they are feeling. Try to channelize their feelings and emotions into words which they can express. Number 4, make sure your children have enough time for exercise and outdoors. Children staying at home all day watching TV or on their device may become restless. Children have a lot of physical energy that they need to burn. Let them run, bike, jump. Number 5, sleep. If children do not sleep well, they are grumpy, they can be irritable, they have less patience. That makes them prone to anger outbursts and aggressive behavior. Make sure your child sleeps on a schedule. Most children need at least 9 to 10 hours of sleep for regular functioning. One thing that I see is children, they have a regular predictable schedule during the week when they have to go to school in the morning, but on the weekends they stay late at night. That disrupts their sleep cycle. So if your child has aggressive behavior and other problems, make sure that he sleeps at the same time every night. Number 6, limit violent video games. For adults, the brain is already mature. If they get exposed to violence in the TV or media, they know that it is not real. They can put a check on their emotion and curb their violent urges. But for children, their brain is still developing, it is not fully mature, and if they get exposed to too much violence on TV and video games, they may also act up violently. The research on the impact of violent games on the aggressive behavior of children is unclear, but I feel that children who have little violent tendencies or aggressive urges, parents should be very carefully monitoring what they are watching and what kind of video games they are playing. Number 7, temperament. Every child is unique and they have their strength and weakness. Some children, especially boys, may be dominating in nature and more physical in their interactions. It is important to teach them how to channelize their aggressive impulses in a healthy way. Enroll them in activities that require a lot of physical effort like martial arts, boxing, gymnastics. Martial arts work best for many children. They also learn to control their aggression and channelize it in a positive way. Hyperactivity and ADHD. Aggressive behavior in children may also be a part of hyperactivity. It may be related to attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Many children who has behavioral disturbance and aggression, when treated with stimulants, their behavior calms down. If you suspect hyperactivity, to be the cause. Try to eliminate sugar, gluten, color dyes from the diet. Eliminating dairy also helps with some children. In many situations, changing the diet, you may notice some decrease in hyperactivity, but in case it persists, consult a child psychiatrist and explore other treatment options like medications. Finally, how the child will react, how the child will behave will also depend a lot on the parental response. If you can stay calm and composed and handle the situation well, children will learn from that. Try to identify what is triggering the behavioral outburst. Make a note of the things that child is disliking or is rebelling against. For example, many children do not like to eat on time. They may want to watch more TV or play more games. They may not want to do the breakfast. Make a note of all the things that they are disliking or the things that are happening before the behavioral outburst happens. Try to reward them for good behavior and punish them for bad behavior. Make the punishment immediate, consistent, and it should also be discomforting for the child, like you can take them their favorite toy if they show bad behavior. In summary, if you see aggression and violence in a child going out of hand, seek professional medical help. Try therapy with a child psychologist first. If the problem persists, consult a child psychiatrist.